Hello everyone. Warm welcome to every participant attending this webinar. Is a lifestyle modification that leading to various diseases like diabetes, blood pressure and obesity, which causing ED and P. We are considering all disorder how we can cure them natural way by controlling your diet part, physical part, then mental part, social part, and that is recognized by the government for conducting various programs in the related to health. Even that this help to the people for the self-employment. Since starting our WHO institute and all, there are 120 doctors are registered for the various courses that is related to master course, fellowship and PG diploma in psychosexual counseling and sexual medicine. Now we are also introducing for the graduate dietitian and fitness program. Now I request Dr. Rajan Sancheti. I am a secretary and moderator of today's program. He is the honorary secretary of Indian Medical Association Pune branch, requesting him to present today's introductory speech and guideline and guide us. Dr. Rajan Sancheti.
I would say us hypertension and obesity. First thing, we should be fit and fine in coming years. Say what is good health? WHO definition is the health sector. We say that health being proper health is a social well-being of a person, including physical, mental, social, and spiritual well-being. That is called as positive health. And because now that what is happening, that physically people are affected nowadays, mentally they are harassed because of mental trauma. There is a lot of stress. Why I would say hypertension happens? A lot of management things can be discussed by Dr. Ramesh Maheshwari sir, and I would say he is a very good teacher. Explain everything about hypertension. Secondly, about I would say diabetes mellitus. We all are aware that sometimes I would say India would be a capital if we take lifestyle management. That is, if you walk over 5 kilometers, take proper medicine, take green leaf vegetables. What happens is we see a lot of people suffering.
It's not the merely absence of disease, it is a state of physical, mental and social well-being. Now, part of the physical well-being, physics means what? If you is based on what you take in nutrition, particularly in nutrition content, carbohydrate, fat and proteins. If you want to be six packs, like a middle man is a normal man, 6 packs is because he's taking carbohydrate properly, fat properly and nutrient properly. If he's taking less fat, then what happened? Weak, like this. If he's taking more carbohydrate, then what? Obese. So now you must understand the main cause of obesity is a more taking fat. Suppose for example, in diet, if you take what? If you take falca is carbohydrate, wheat, then rice, again carbohydrate. So don't mix 2 carbohydrate at a time. If you mix the more carbohydrate, what happened? Just like obese. How we will go and see in scientifically in the future slide one by one. We will just go ahead. Fitness. What do you mean by fitness? Fitness means what? Ability to do routine work. जो आप routine activities कर सकते हो वो fitness. Fitness may varies from person to person, age wise. If you want to give the prescription, younger age group fitness is different. We need the more carbohydrate there. Middle age group fitness like suppose player and all near more nutrition and more strength, and old age need health. So your prescription will be changed according to the age. Now how? What the parameters of physical health? If you go to the physical health, because we are thinking about health is according to WHO, particularly World Health Organization, health is not merely absence of disease. Disease नहीं है तो health नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं. Absence of disease, it is a state of physical. So we are thinking about only for the physical ground so far. The good nutrition. What is the good nutrition? We go ahead. Because whatever we eat, 90% is absorbed and 10% goes in the waste like a fibers. How? We will see in proper things. After nutrition, the rest is also recovery. So most of the gym, you know, that they give the 1 day rest. भाई आप exercise नहीं कीजिए, आप gym मत कीजिए. If you go to the gym regularly, they avoid because there needs some rest to your muscles. Muscles need the protein. If you want to be young, you must take the protein. How? We will tell you. Body shape is very important. If you want to keep yourself fit and young, so your body should look young. So your body need what? Protein. How much protein? Suppose your weight is 80 kg. Then 80 gram protein is needed. If 70 kg, 70 gram protein is needed. Approximately. How much fat needed? 0.7 gram per body weight. Then how? We will go. You need around 60 gram of fat. Suppose the age of weight of 70 needs 70 kg, 70 gram of protein, 60 gram of fat, and remaining carbohydrate. A carbohydrate present, we will see how to take the balanced diet, how to prescribe your own diet. Because I am giving here all explanation to understand in the depth, to know proper diet. Proper diet, how we go ahead, step by step. Suppose I want to make you nutrition or expert in diet. Always remember, what is your weight? Suppose my weight is 70 kg. Then how much water I should drink? Every 20 kg, I will drink in a 24 hours 1 liter of water. Suppose my weight is 70 kg, then 3.5 liter water must drink. Means around 12 to 14 glass of water. But when you take this less, then metabolism, digestion, and everything will some way fail. How we made it proper way? We go ahead and see the things. Mean factor for health and fitness, we need nutrition. That keep in your mind. Nutrition is an important factor. Nutrition is an important factor. Okay. After nutrition, you need some exercise also. Recently, you know that what with Kapil Sharma show, Hema Malini came. The Kapil Sharma asked, "How, ma'am, you are so, you look like a young?" She said, "I'm taking proper nutrition and doing. Still today, I'm doing exercise at the age of 75, 80. She is doing exercise. Now that is very important things. Means exercise role is there, nutrition role is there. And at the same moment, recovery is most important. Just how this recovery is done, I will explain you. Now, in your prescription, you must know health is important. Health is important more after senior citizen. After 55 years, 60 years, health is very important. Fitness is important for the player. They need the fitness. And physics is important for film star and everyone. We want to become a film star. Or 6 apps. You can develop the 6 apps if you follow this technique and method scientifically. Just go ahead, step by step. Flexibility is also very important. Every 2 hours, ideally they said after every 1 hour you must do some flexible exercises, stretching and all to circulate the blood circulation properly in your body. But it is not possible. When you observe your doggy in your home, He's stretching his body because he want to spread the blood flow all over body and to maintain health properly. Now, fitness need not only nutrition is proper, we need some gymnastic exercise. Simple things you can bring at home. In COVID, we brought the thing, we do the bicep, triceps, trapezius, all these muscles exercise. If you do it properly, that will maintain your proteins part, muscle part. Muscle part, maintain the muscles is very important to look young. Our aim is look young. Muscular skeletal strength. Now, remember, this is a part of gym. Since 3 years, I'm regularly going in the gym. There, what we are doing some exercise. So there in gym is two types of exercise, an aerobic exercise and anaerobic exercise. What is anaerobic exercise? Where is the gym exercise? The weight is needed is anaerobic. Aerobic is just on the a particular running, jogging, or treadmill, cycling. This part of aerobic exercise. What happens in this? To increase bone density, to increase your BMR, to improve your physics look. Person who want to look young, you must do aerobic as well as anaerobic exercise, means weight exercise. That is only motive of this slide. Now, my dear friend, you may ask me, what is BMR? What is BMR? Very simple. Basal metabolic rate. What is that? Is the energy required for 24 hours. Whether you work or don't work, you need it. Simple to know the basal metabolic rate by go to the Google and take any app in your mobile, put your height, age, weight, you can calculate BMR. Suppose, for example, this may be varies from person to person and as per the weight and all, and maybe male and female, variation is there. But you remember here, suppose your basal metabolic rate is 1500. Means 1500 calories you can take easily throughout the day. Now, how to calculate this calorie? We go ahead and we'll see. What is nutrition? If anybody doubt, then can raise the hand. Nutrition, I will go ahead. At the end, we will take these things. Otherwise, time will pass. Food is necessary for health and growth. What is correct nutrition? That is important. I told you, macronutrients, carbohydrate, fat, and proteins. 1 gram of carbohydrate gives 4 calories of energy. 1 gram of protein gives 4 calories of energy. 1 gram of fat gives 9 calories. Now, always remember, whenever you eat, first carbohydrate absorb in the blood, then protein absorb, then fat absorb, at the end fiber absorb. And micronutrients, we will take vitamins, minerals. We are taking now in COVID. We are regularly taking just like a vitamin C with the zinc. We advise each and even initial stage of, because I think 90% people will be just like immune. Immune means they have developed antibodies, self antibodies. So take the vitamin C regularly so that will help you a lot. Now we go ahead. Means that so far you understand that 80% major role of nutrition on the health. Now, what is the role of medicine? Medicine role is there. Even if you become a dietitian, even if you become anything, but you must need some doctor to rule out what is the cause of obesity, whether it is a hormonal imbalance or diet, whether is the thyroid profile, whether is your hypothyroidism or not. That things you have to rule out. And diabetes patients mostly get when tingling sensation in the legs, something is different, feeling something, something about heaviness in the legs. So you must rule out. Sometimes need more water and more food, rule. Weight put on, rule out. We are not going to discuss in detail that today's topic is how we can keep you fit. What is fitness? Now again, we are ability to do routine tasks is called the fitness. If you want to fit for 80 years, 90 years, 100 years, you must do your own work. Should not take any help of your colleagues, your spouse or your husband or whomsoever. You must do your own bath, own drinking water, own work is very essential, very important. 90% Indian people are not doing work themselves. That's why they are getting more and more disease. If you go to the US, I went to US at my child house and in Canada at my daughter. There is no labor. You have to do your own work. Everything you have to do by self. Means self work is very important in your fitness. Now, my dear friend, conclusion is that health, fitness, physics are needed, but are the different when you prescribe the prescription. Health need the nutrition more. We will see how. Nutrition is the key. Everyone's goal may be different. Just if you are young, need the more energy, more carbohydrate, maybe. Banana give the more carbohydrate. That's why when you go to the gym, they ask, take one banana, then come to gym. Otherwise, you get the breathlessness. If you are politician or you senior citizen, need more health, nutrition, and physics. Every model for films are required. Physics, I told you just now. Now in your prescription, because we are doctor, we want to give the prescription properly to the patient. Otherwise, patient, no doctor has time to, sir, क्या खाना चाहिए? कुछ भी खा लो. मेरे पास पेशेंट आते हैं, सर, मेरा वेट 20 kg बढ़ गया, 10 kg कम हुआ, मैं नेचुरोपैथी में गया, सब खाना पीना बंद किया, बट जैसे मैं बाहर आया 20 kg बढ़ गया. सर, मैं कुछ नहीं खाता हूं, 2 चपाती खाता हूं, 3 चपाती खाता हूं, थोड़ा राइस ले लेता हूं, 2 बटकी और थोड़ा सा दाल लेता हूं. Means you are again taking more carbohydrate. Obesity will increase. The proper diet system is don't know. That's why we are ill. If you find my mother is now 85 years, she is not ill because she don't know what is the prepared food packaging food. What is what you call the burger and other things, pizza and all. She never eat that things. Means what we are eating is not good. All this market, how we have to prevent, we go and step by step we go and we'll try to understand. Now the health you want more, so 80% what want? Nutrition. Exercise only 5%. Mean even 5%, or if you are aged, without doing exercise, you can reduce your weight. But rest and recovery is very important. 15% need. In fitness, just like a player come to you, then advise them nutrition 60%, exercise more, 30%. That is an anaerobic exercise. That is a weight exercise. It's very important. Heavy weight. I'm showing here lightweight. Anyway, physics. If our hero film star come, then your prescription will be nutrition 70% important, exercise 20%, and rest and recovery 10%. Now we go step by step. This is international standard. Whatever I'm telling you is from legally worldwide known. Okay, fine. We go ahead. Open these slides now. Okay, we go step by step. Because I admit someone. Now our prescription. What is weight loss? Now tell me in audience, what is weight loss? Weight loss is better or fat loss is better? Otherwise, I'm going to take you a few minutes to keep you inside of the weight loss. In weight loss is a water loss, muscle loss. Suppose you have diarrhea infection, then lose motion. Weight loss means voluntarily diet, exercise, and rest. You can reduce the weight loss. And involuntary illness. You may say, why the rest? Because rest, metabolism is going on. What I told you, basal metabolic rate, 1500 calories particularly in a day. Even you take inspiration and expiration, there is a weight loss. Because energy is lost, means weight loss. Whatever energy you intake, output. This is a machine, God made machine. How it works, I will tell you. My dear friend, what is the fat loss? फैट कहाँ रहता है बॉडी में? पेट के ऊपर, मीन्स सबकुटेनियस लेयर, मेल, फीमेल मोर ऑन द हिप्स. तो मोस्टली आप देखेंगे पेट फूल जाता है आफ्टर द पेशेंट कम्स एट द मिडल एज. वो स्टार्ट करता है, सर अभी मुझे हाइपरटेंशन शुरू हो गया या डायबिटीज आ गया. उसके बाद में 4-5 साल में सर मुझे हाइपरटेंशन था, अब डायबिटीज भी आ गया. अब सर डायबिटीज भी था, हाइपरटेंशन आ गया. और उसके बाद में मुझे ईडीपी हो गया. ईडीपी मीन्स आई एम टेलिंग यू, इफ यू आर ऑल आर आई थिंक एडल्ट, the erectile dysfunction and premature ejaculation. That is, I am a sexologist, sexual medicine consultant at the biggest hospital in Pune, Aditya Birla Memorial, and my own clinic, WNHU. My dear friend, in my Practo site, there are 30,000 patients. Out of I got 85 to 90% good, because only on controlling the weight. I'm giving more concentration on the weight balance. The give important to balance the weight, you can balance the disease. Now, how you reduce the fat? इस पे तो फैट हो गया, सबकुटेनियस फैट, एडिपोज टिश्यू. देन जितने ऑर्गन्स है आपके बॉडी में, किडनी हो, लीवर हो, सब तरफ उस ऑर्गन को फैट होता है, उसको बोलते हैं विसरल फैट. ओके, इतना समझ गया आप? वी गो. Means fat loss happens due to the voluntary only diet, exercise only, no infection. Okay, we go ahead. Pathway of digestion, I like to give the stress more there. So I will increase this slide so that I can explain you better way. What is, oh, sorry. I made some mistake. Just I will escape it. And again, I go to our, I had to go the current slide by mistake. This happened. I will rectify that mistake and will soon I will be with you. Don't worry about that. What happened here? 24 slides. No, we want now digestion. Digestion slide. This slide we are here. I want to be what I will do. I will make it here so that I can, because this my Wi-Fi is adjusting only 5-6 slides. That's why I want to be, there should be the proper presentation and you should understand the slide presentation. So I will go here from current slide. Now see, how is the machine? Body is a machine. Whatever you eat, chewing is very important. Every chewing, what they say, 32 times you must chew it. So what happens? Salivary gland secretes various enzymes, that is salivary amylase, that diagnose your starch food. Then it goes past to the esophagus here. This is indicating everything. Just to be, you just find out here. Then it goes to the stomach. In stomach, what happened? Whatever raw material come to you, you chew this in the mouth. Then it goes to make it 32 times, means digestible. If you don't chew, you eat faster, what will happen? It will not digest properly. Then gases, constipation, and other disease will come. So if you don't want to give the disease and don't overweight and remain young, then you must chew at least 20 times. Start with 5 times to 10 times, 15 times, and 20. Because this is very difficult. Even I'm a person. I am also very fast. Previously, I was just fast eater. Now, with the COVID, I go to the all the presentation and read the books and all. I understand that chewing is very important things. Okay, fine. Now, here is the hydrochloric acid and other things comes, and that hydrochloric acid digests the protein part.
I'm meeting म्यूट करके मैंने कॉल करना, कॉल आया तो भी बकुल को.
Anabolism. Okay, fine. Now, my dear friend, please, if possible, mute yourself. Okay, because everything is organized by myself to give you proper knowledge inside of the diet. So you can free from the disease. I see it. I in 5-6 months I reduced 10 kg खा पी के. मैं लेता हूँ ब्रेकफास्ट, मैं लेता हूँ लंच, मैं लेता हूँ हाई टी, मैं लेता हूँ dinner. Still, I maintain the weight. How? We are planning. I will give you. In our body, what happened? First, digest carbs. 1 gram gives 4 calorie energy. Suppose you eat falka 50 grams, 2-3 falka around 200 grams. 200 grams. Suppose that is needed your functioning of body. It will be okay. It goes to the liver, and we will show in next slide. But here I will complete this slide. After digestion in the stomach, it goes to the small intestine, and small intestine is absorbs. पूरा absorb करता है. ये मशीन है, मैकेनिज्म है. यहाँ से गया मुंह में, आपने 32 बार चबाया, अंदर डाला, यहाँ पे गया, पेट में गया, हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड सिक्रीट हुआ. इसलिए बोलते हैं कि खाना खाते वक्त पानी नहीं पीना चाहिए, क्योंकि आपका हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड ही कम हो जाएगा भैया. फिर इनडाइजेशन, फिर कम टू द डॉक्टर. मैं अगेन द रिवर्स साइकिल कम्स. तो पानी नहीं पीना, पीना है तो क्या पीना? जस्ट आई विल शो यू. इज द सिंपल व्हाट आई adopted this technique. 2 चम्मच दही in 1 liter of water. So simple. Then drink it. If you go on drinking this way, never need any food. Okay, we go ahead. पहले आपका कार्बोहाइड्रेट पचन हो गया, उसके बाद में प्रोटीन का नंबर लगता है. इंटेस्टाइन एब्सॉर्ब द प्रोटीन, फर्स्ट एब्सॉर्ब द कार्बोहाइड्रेट, देन प्रोटीन का भी कार्बोहाइड्रेट फॉर्म वगैरह ओके वो, उसके बाद में फैट, उसके बाद में लास्ट फाइबर. तो हमारी नेक्स्ट स्लाइड क्या बताती है वो देखते हैं हम लोग. अब इसको मेरे को स्मॉल करना है, इसलिए मैं अगेन I go to my share these things. Okay, yeah, I'm here. Okay, fine. I'm here. Okay. Okay, I will escape. I forget how to make it small one. Okay. Where was I? My slide was presenting this slide. Okay. I made it. Okay, small. And now I come here. Okay, screen sharing. Yes, stop. I will start the screen sharing soon. Okay. हाँ, स्क्रीन शेयरिंग. अब हम लोग डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम से मैकेनिज्म अपने समझ लिया. हम खाते, भगवान ने अपनी मशीन बनाई है, मुंह से खा रहे, रॉ मटेरियल जा रहा है, अच्छे से उसको डाइजेस्ट हो रहा है. फिर अच्छा रॉ मटेरियल खाएंगे तो क्या होगा? अच्छा एब्सॉर्ब करेंगे. अरे यार, अब जाते हैं ट्रांस फैट खाते हैं. जिस फैट में ट्रांस फैट यानी फैट, मुझे घी बनाते थे, डालडा पहले बोलते थे, डालडा जो वेजिटेबल निकाल के उसमें हाइड्रोजन डाल के बनाते थे. फिर बाद में कुछ रिसर्चर ने बोला, अरे बाबा, इट्स नॉट गुड फॉर हेल्थ, इट मे गो इन फ्यूचर सम डिसीज फॉर्म. तो मोस्ट ऑफ द कैंसर फॉर्म, अदर थिंग्स हैपनिंग. ओके, नाउ स्टॉप दिस. बट 90% फूड is prepared in the hotel is trans fat. So don't use or see if you read how much trans fat. Even if you go to the US and Canada, they are not educated much more. Indians are more educated, but they are not educated in the food and digestion. That is a problem. That's why we are ill. तो ट्रांस फैट कितना? अरे बाप रे, कुछ नहीं. अपन तो सब अरे ये खाओ वो खाओ. एक बार बर्गर लिया तो आप दूसरा बर्गर खाते हैं. क्यों खाते हैं? बिकॉज बर्गर में ही शुगर रहती है. वो शुगर इंटरेस्ट बढ़ा देता है आपका. और खाओ. ऐसा नहीं खाने का. फिर क्या करने का हम देखेंगे नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में. अभी हम लोग ज्यादा समय केमिकल डाइजेशन को नहीं देंगे, हम देंगे अपने लीवर को. अभी आपका हेड ऑफिस हो गया लीवर, अभी बाकी के ब्रांच ऑफिस हो गया आपका स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. वॉट एवर यू ईट इज एब्सॉर्ब्ड इन द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, goes to the liver. At the same time, this go to the pancreas to release the control this insulin. Insulin spike hota na, insulin, and that control your glucose. Suppose you take 1 chapati, that is needed your body. 2 chapatis needed your body. Suppose you take extra chapati, what will happen? Extra glucose will secreted. और लीवर को अभी 2-3 घंटे में इसको यूटिलाइज करना है, नहीं तो भाई वो ज्यादा कहीं भी हो गया तो जमा करना है कहीं तो भी स्टोर हाउस में. जैसे माल फैक्ट्री में बन रहा है, वो यूज नहीं हो रहा है, मार्केट में बिक रहा नहीं, तो आप क्या करते हो? वो माल पड़ा रहता है, कहीं तो भी पाड़ने का, तो ये एडिपोज टिश्यू में जाके गिर जाता है। और एट द सेम टाइम वो आपके जितने भी है विसेरल, मुझे हार्ट हो, किडनी हो, बाकी के पार्ट हो, वहां पे जाके जमा हो जाता है वेसल्स पे। इसलिए एथेरोस्क्लेरोसिस इज वेरी कॉमन। If you cure your atherosclerosis, you will be reverse your hypertension. So simple logic है, just follow the logic and go ahead. Now यहाँ से डाइजेशन भी क्या करो, एक फल का कम कर दो, क्योंकि हम लोग पहले कैसे करते थे, 3 फल का राइस, 2 चपाती, उस पे दाल, ऐसा मत करो। यदि आपको फल का खाना है, एक फल का, दाल की 2 वाटी दाल, मुझे प्रोटीन ज्यादा हो गया, फल का कम हो गया, कार्बोहाइड्रेट कम हो गया, क्योंकि दाल में भी कार्बोहाइड्रेट होता है कुछ परसेंटेज में। फिर इस तरीके से फाइबर्स खाना है तो बहुत सा सलाद खा लो। इस तरीके से आप दिन भर में अपना प्रोग्राम बनाएंगे तो आप फिट रहने वाले हैं, रिवर्स होने वाला है। तो हम लोग अब आगे जाएंगे कि ज्यादा कार्बोहाइड्रेट खाते वक्त एक ही कार्बोहाइड्रेट खाइए। तब में आपको राइस भी खाना है तो राइस लीजिए, तो फल का मत लीजिए। अब आज हमारे यहाँ इडली बनी, तो पहले मैं इडली 8, 10, 12 खा लेता था। अभी मैंने 2 इडली, 4 इडली लिया और 2-2 वाटी ये लिया, क्या, दाल सांभर। तो क्या हो गया, उससे मोर प्रोटीन गया मेरे बॉडी में और मेरा वेट भी मैनेज रहा, मैं हलचल कर रहा हूँ, मेरे को एनर्जी भी मिल रही है एट द सेम टाइम, बट देयर इज नो एनी लॉस टू माय बॉडी। My youngness remain as it is because I'm getting protein. I'm always be younger if I'm taking protein properly. Same thing maintained by Hema Malini. What she's doing in the Kapil Sharma show, she said, I'm taking proper diet and doing exercise. We'll go ahead. And now protein digestion, everything is happening in the stomach and duodenum. The stomach is the catabolism. You know, metabolism having 2 stomach. Catabolism. Catabolism यानी क्या? फूड को कट किए हुए फूड को डाइजेस्ट करना। एनाबोलिज्म क्या? वो एब्सॉर्ब होने के बाद में इंटेस्टाइन से लीवर के बाद जाएगा, और लीवर क्या करेगा, ज्यादा रहेगा एडिपोज टिश्यू में जमा कर देगा, दैट इज एनाबोलिज्म। मतलब फैट फॉर्मेशन इज एनाबोलिज्म, कैटाबोलिज्म इज डाइजेशन। बट don't keep in mind कि catabolism is good, anabolism, body is doing everything is needed to our body. Just for understanding point of view, I made it easy because some patients are there. That's why I'm in Hindi also, so that you can understand. Now here you can understand properly. Metabolism, catabolism. क्या होता है? हम जो भी खाते हैं फूड क्या ऑक्सीजन मिलता है, कहाँ से मिलता है? हम हवा से ऑक्सीजन लेते हैं. Yes, respiration is continue. After respiration is go to the oxidation of the food and carbon dioxide comes and H2O. Carbon dioxide, that's why carbon dioxide removed every breathing, inhalation and exhalation, carbon dioxide goes, inhalation, oxygen comes. That's why we maintain the oxygen, this catabolism process continuously, because often we are doing respiration continuously. That is very important things. Means catabolism, breaking of energy, anabolism, building of complexity like fat and adipose tissue and all. So now we go ahead. This much is the logic. If you understand, then you can easily reduce your weight. Now, what is the better? Weight loss is better or fat loss? Raise anybody if you want to say something about this. Otherwise, we go ahead as it is. Fat loss is important because it's improved fitness, greater strength, peak performance, delayed aging, reduce the risk of diseases and young look. What happened to weight loss? In weight loss, decrease the fitness, decrease the strength, poor performance, early aging. अरे आप जाएंगे, अब मेरे पास बहुत से पेशेंट आते हैं, सर मैं नेचुरोपैथी में गया, मेरे गाल वाल सब चिपक गए. अरे you are not taking fat properly यार. You take the fat at least 0.7 gram per kg body weight. So simple. Prescribe them 0.7 kg of fat. How much protein? 1 gram per kg body weight. Then carbohydrate comes. Carbohydrate तो सब में रहता ही है. Carbohydrate आपने कम भी कर दिया तो भी चलता है. कितना करना, क्या करना, कैसे देखना, उसे भी हम देखेंगे आगे के स्लाइड में. What is good? Weight loss or fat loss? That indicate fat loss is good. If you want to be young, look like Rekha, I think Rekha is there. Rakhi is there. Okay, Rakhi and all heroines, they look young. Myth is that weight loss is the key of delaying age. That is the myth. Remove this myth from your mind. Weight loss is not good. Fat loss is important. By keep eating your all these 4 types of balanced food, then you can do it very easily. Now the secret of this your why you are looking old. Man every 10 years lose 2 to 3 kg of muscles mass, and female every 10 years lose 1.5 to 2 kg muscle mass. Muscles need protein. But if you need the protein proper, so you will look younger. So we forget to eat protein. That's why we are becoming older at the earlier age. Even 40-year age look like a 60, 70. Go ahead. What is a nutrition? Type of nutrition? Just I explained you macro and micro. I'm not taking your much more time, but I will explain you carbohydrate. Simple carb is a bad carb. What is a bad carb? Sugar is a bad carb. This is simple. Immediately लेंगे पूरा का पूरा absorb हो जाएगा. उसको टाइम ही नहीं लगेगा, absorb हो जाएगा जल्दी से. मतलब you should eat complex carb. Honey is a simple carb that will based on glycemic index. We will go ahead and we'll see. Glycemic index is the main role. Low glycemic index के जितने फूड है वो उतना खाइए आप. Less than 55. Medium glycemic index 55 के above 56 to 69 and above 70 glycemic index बंद कर दीजिए खाना. इसमें क्या क्या है? इसमें आपका ब्रेड है. Even most of the people say white bread is good or brown bread. But reality is that brown and white bread is the same. The color put inside manufacturer and get more money and sell it. So you don't know. I'm by fashion. You can say, oh, I want only brown bread is good. So eat more. 3, 4, 5. Don't do like that. Eat less. I'm not telling you to stop everything, but you eat less. Anyway, medium, low, medium हो गया. मतलब अब अभी खाने में क्या करेंगे? ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स जैसे भी फूड का देखेंगे. अरे इसका ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स कितना है? इसको खा सकता हूँ मैं. इसको नहीं खा सकता हूँ. इसको बंद करना है. हाई ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स बंद कर दो. 70 अबाउट 70. हम लोग अब आगे जाएंगे. Low glycemic index less than 55, moderate is 55 to 70, and honey, glucose, sugar is 100. That you stop it. मीठा खाना बंद कर दो. इन शॉर्ट अभी ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स अलग अलग आपको बहुत से चार्ट मिल जाएंगे. गूगल पे देख लीजिए, स्टडी कर लीजिए कैसे खाना है, क्या करना है, उसके हिसाब से डिशेस बनाइए. हम अब जाएंगे क्या होता है ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स. तो फूड का हो गया. जो हम खाते हैं इस ग्लाइसेमिक लोड बढ़ता है. जैसे ग्लूकोज एब्सॉर्ब हो गया, 2-3 घंटे में उसको नहीं दिया, इधर उधर नहीं भेजा, तो क्या होगा? लोड बढ़ जाएगा. By increasing the glycemic load in the body, so what is the ideal glycemic load in the body is less than 10 or 20. How we will go ahead and see. Again, head office is the liver. Everything comes to the liver after absorbing from small intestine, and also at the same time, insulin is the controller. भाई इतना ही जगह है मेरे पास, मेरे फैक्ट्री में माल बन गया, मगर इतना ही रख सकता हूँ मैं. इसके ऊपर रखा दो, मुझे जगह नहीं है, मेरे पास स्पेस नहीं है. तो लीवर क्या करता है? वो सबको दे देता है. ब्रेन को देता है, हिज को देता है. हाँ, इसमें एक बात आपने समझना, फैट खाना नहीं गलत है. फैट खाना जी, जितने ब्रेन है, ब्रेन टिश्यू है, वो फैट से बने 60%. फैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. उसके लिए राजस्थान में जितने भी मारवाड़ी पीपल रहते थे, वो क्या खाते थे? बहुत घी खाते थे. वाटी के वाटी घी में डुबो के खाते थे और पसते थे. उतने भी वो वर्क भी करते थे, इसलिए पसते थे. तो उसका ब्रेन बहुत चलता था. इसलिए जितने भी राजा थे ना, उनकी यहाँ सीए कौन था? चार्टर अकाउंटेंट, फाइनेंस मैनेजर, मारवाड़ी, राजस्थानी, लाइक दैट. एनीवे, वी गो अहेड. लिपिड प्रोफाइल, कोलेस्ट्रॉल. अभी आपको क्या करना है? आज के बाद घर पे जाके इमीडिएटली आपका लिपिड प्रोफाइल करवा लीजिए. इफ यू आर अबाउट 40, इवन 30, do is lipid profile. I will teach you how to read the lipid profile. Bad pattern LDL, low density lipid is a bad, is a problematic. Again, आपको समझा देता हूँ. Water trans fat, it is created in an industry process, in man-made is a trans fat. जितना वेजिटेबल है उसमें हाइड्रोजन डाल के लिक्विड फॉर्म में रहता है, उसमें हाइड्रोजन वेजिटेबल ऑयल टू मेक देम मोर सॉलिड is a trans fat. I know when we are, because I not seen after my medical education, after my marriage, after I'm married to that डालडा वगैरह तो अभी कोई लाता ही नहीं है वेजिटेबल. All are pure ghee is good. I want to say that is an animal fat. That is good. Why this use more in the factory? Because it is inexpensive. सस्ता होता है बहुत. घी बहुत सस्ता होता है. आपको एनिमल घी, अपना प्योर घी, काउस घी, इसका घी लिया तो आपको 400-500 रुपए किलो मिलेगा. ये मिलेगा आपको सस्ता, मे बी 50-100. Omega 3 is very important because omega 3 need for the brain. फिश ऑयल में ज्यादा रहता है और बहुत से इसमें भी होता है, आपको फ्रूट में देखना होगा. और ओमेगा 3 एंड बेस्ट इज ओमेगा 3 एंड ओमेगा 9. ओमेगा 6 ट्रांस फैट में होता है तो वो अवॉइड करने को कहा जाता है. Now this is a picture you can see. Bhumi is looking like when she want to be increase her movie weight, she take more carbs, fat deposit हो जाएगा. और जब भी वेट कम करना मुझे कैलोरी इनटेक इंक्रीज कर देने का तो वेट गेन हो जाएगा. कैलोरी इनटेक डिक्रीज कर देने का वेट कम हो जाएगा. फिर उसने वेट कम भी कर लिया. और अपने परफेक्शनिस्ट कौन है हीरो, वो बहुत जल्दी बहुत वेट बढ़ाता है, कम करता है. वेरी परफेक्शनिस्ट. I will remember his name. If slide is there, we will tell you. What is the fat? Body fat, visceral fat. Just I completed everything. There are various slides. These slides, you look these slides, various fat mass and your how much match fat should be there, 11 to 12%, 13 to 15%. But you maintain, keep your fat mass 10 to 20, between 10 to 2. We will see exact. And these are the various pictures you can understand. That is a 20% is ideal for the male, and female 25% is ideal for female fat mass. Don't, if you go above that, then BMR, you know, BMI is there, basal metabolic index, particular age wise. So BMI, you can find out the BMI, mostly 22 to 24, 25 is okay, 24. And if it is above, then it is a problematic. Protein. Now हमने देख लिया कार्बोहाइड्रेट, देख लिया न्यूट्रिशन में, फैट देख लिया, अभी प्रोटीन को देखना है. Protein is made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. Nitrogen is the reason that is has specific property to repair muscles. जितने मसल्स होते हैं ना, उसको रिपेयर के लिए नाइट्रोजन लगता है. आपको जब भी पेन हो जाता है, अरे मसल बहुत दुखते हैं, अभी क्या करें, अभी मैं सब खा रहा हूँ, कोई पेन किलर लेता हूँ, टेम्पररी रिलीफ होता है, फिर से होता है, तो you are not taking, your patient is not taking proper protein. Give them proper protein. The muscle will be within a week he will feel better. Oh, there is pain loss, and he will say, "You're the magical doctor. You cure me." Each protein gives 4 calories per gram. I explain you. Each protein breaks to amino acids. There are different types of amino acids. Now we want to see what are the types of amino acids. There are essential amino acids, non-essential amino acids. Why this called a non-essential amino acids? Because essential amino acid इसलिए कहा जाता है कि essential आपको फूड में से लेना है, फूड में से जो मिलता है वो essential है. नॉन essential वो आप दे ही नहीं सकते फूड में से. फिर वो अमीनो एसिड कहाँ से मिलेगा, वो बॉडी प्रिपेयर करता है, इसलिए बोलते हैं नॉन इसेंशियल अमीनो एसिड. ये सब उसके नाम है, उसके बाद में आप पढ़ लेना, आपको सब मिल जाएगा गूगल पे. एंड कंडीशनल इसेंशियल अमीनो एसिड एक पर्टिकुलर कंडीशन में, पर्टिकुलर रिएक्शन में, बॉडी में, मेटाबॉलिज्म में वो क्रिएट होते हैं, सीक्रेट होते हैं, इसलिए बोले कंडीशनल अमीनो एसिड. भैया इसेंशियल अमीनो एसिड यू मस्ट टेक फ्रॉम फूड. चलो हम आगे जाते हैं. हमने कार्बोहाइड्रेट देख लिया, प्रोटीन देख लिया, फैट देख लिया. हम आप आगे जाएंगे. सोर्सेज ऑफ द प्रोटीन. There are two types of protein. They call first class protein and second class protein. What is first class protein? Whole egg. Egg है ना, उसके अंदर का येलो निकाल दो, first class. Even whey protein. Most of the people have the bad impression. Even most of the doctors don't know. I was not knowing when 3 or 5 years back. Whey protein, oh, whey protein is bad. Nothing like that. Whey protein is prepared from the milk. But proper dose, if your protein is less, you can't take from the food, then take the whey protein. एक स्पून ले लो सुबह शाम, या एक बार जैसे आप काम करते हो, वर्क करते हो. Then paneer is the protein source, first class protein. Then eggs white, soya is a protein source. Most of the आपने देखा भी होगा, most of, if you go to the US and this place Canada, there is more soybean is more, corn is more. वहाँ पे कॉर्न सोयाबीन ज्यादा मिलता था, तो उसको इंडिया में मार्केटिंग किया गया है. You know very well which company. I don't want to say the company's name. In the name of high protein. Ideally, what happened, that protein, soybean is good for female, not male, because it secretes the estrogen in your body. You need the testosterone. Then when you need the testosterone, with soybean, it's not needed. Okay, very simple. Take this fenugreek seeds. How much quantity? This much quantity. Then how to take? I give the demo name. Okay, simple. If you take this much methi dana, 5 grams, twice in a day, before your major meal, lunch and dinner, gradually your digestion system will improve. You need less carbohydrate. Prescribe methi dana, fenugreek seeds to your patient and see the results. Let me know your results. What is the bad class? No, second class, incomplete protein, rice, polished rice, wheat flour, nut seeds, pulses. These are the, okay, fine. We go ahead. Now again we are coming on exercise, gym, because we want nutrition part is over, carbohydrate over, fat is over, protein is over, minerals, vitamins is over. What is remain now? Exercise. Aerobic exercise, Zumba exercise, aerobic, जहाँ ऑक्सीजन ज्यादा लगता है. ट्रेडमिल एक्सरसाइज, जहाँ ऑक्सीजन ज्यादा लगता है. साइकिलिंग, जहाँ ऑक्सीजन ज्यादा लगता है. स्विमिंग, jogging, these are the aerobic exercise. That is why cardiorespiratory endurance need aerobic exercise. यदि आप 2-2 घंटे में या 3-3 घंटे में थोड़ा स्ट्रेचिंग देते हो बॉडी को, थोड़ा जॉगिंग करते हो या थोड़ा सा फिरते हो, घूमते हो, तो आपको एरोबिक एक्सरसाइज हो जाती है. आपके हर ऑर्गन को कुछ एनर्जी लॉस करने में मदद होगा. अब मसल इंड्योरेंस, आपको मसल बनाना है, प्रोटीन्स, तो आप क्या करेंगे? प्रोटीन खाएंगे और एनारोबिक एक्सरसाइज करेंगे. व्हाट इज एनारोबिक एक्सरसाइज माय डियर फ्रेंड? एनारोबिक एक्सरसाइज जो जिम में करते हैं हम लोग वेट से, दैट इज एनारोबिक. व्हाट आई एम डूइंग? एनारोबिक एक्सरसाइज. व्हाई आई एम शोइंग this Clovid teaches number of things. Beautiful is that Clovid is that we are on the Zoom and now we are digital university. Our university is a digital. Everywhere you can teach someone, anyone, all over the world. So that there is a need. When you can save how much time by sitting at home. I am giving the provide PDF gadgets. Okay. What is this? Just we will see. Protein source is over. Function of the fat. What is the function of the fat? That is very important. You must understand. अब बहुत मिथ है. मिथ आपका निकल गया ना, तो आप पूरा कुछ ठीक रह सकते हैं. कोई भी डिसीज नहीं होता आपको. Function of the fat provide long time energy. फैट के डाइजेशन बहुत देर से होता है. 3-4-6 घंटे लगते हैं फैट को डाइजेस्ट होने को. एक लड्डू खा लो, 6 घंटे लगेंगे आपको. प्रोटेक्ट वाइटल ऑर्गन्स, सबको वो प्रोटेक्ट भी करता है, लाइक हार्ट, लंग्स, लीवर, किडनी. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ नर्व सेल्स, नॉर सेल्स भी फॉर्म है, तो आपको मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम जैसे स्क्लेरोसिस ये वगैरह बीमारी हो जाती है, ओल्ड एज, इवन illness, you can have them, give them. Fat is not taking properly. Advise them fat. Maintain body temperature. Absorb fat soluble vitamins. जो कुछ vitamins होते हैं वो फैट में soluble होते हैं, A, D, E, K. Almost 60% brain composed of the fat. For lubricants, joints, synthesis, and sex hormones and all these things. Okay, fine. We go ahead. There are various PDF gadgets is available on the net, particularly know your BMR and all this, calculate, because whatever we eat 90% is absorbed. इसलिए बोलते रहते हैं पहले जैसा आप खाते हो वैसी आपकी बॉडी बनेगी, आपका ब्रेन चलेगा. इवन दे रिलेटेड व्हाट यू ईट, जैसा खाते अन्न वैसा होता मन. मन मीन्स माइंड, ऐसा भी कहते थे, पता है आपको. वो ओल्ड एज में बोलते थे हमारे सीनियर जो भी दादाजी वगैरह, जो खाते हैं अच्छा खाओ. आप मटन खाएंगे, ये खाएंगे, लड़ाई करेंगे, झगड़ा करेंगे. आप कार्बोहाइड्रेट, फैट, प्रोटीन प्रॉपर खाएंगे तो आपका ब्रेन चलेगा. आप मेडिटेशन करेंगे, शांत रहेंगे. नाउ ऑन दैट बेसिस there are several types of diet. Vegan. What is vegan? They are lover of animal lover. They even don't drink milk. That is called the vegan. What is lacto-vegetarian? They use milk and vegetarian. What is vegetarian? They take the everything along with the eggs, not meat and all. No. What is pescatarian? They eat the fish along with this eggs, vegetarian and everything. What is non-vegetarian? They eat everything. Non-veg, you know very well, everyone know. Why vegan? Sympathy towards the animal. Protect from hormonal diseases. भाई मुझे hormonal disease नहीं होना चाहिए, तो milk में से इधर से उधर से जो होता है वो भी नहीं होना चाहिए. Free from over fatty food, lower calorie, high fiber food. But that is a good. We will discuss. Balanced diet is the only good. Eat everything. Role of exercise is very important. Exercise needs stamina, endurance, maintaining degeneration, etc. of the yourself. Aerobic exercise and anaerobic exercise. I told you, anaerobic exercise only for the muscles. You need it. Tightness in the body. You need it. Because I am sitting in the simple block. This block give me what? This give me spinal cord strength. So my energy will flow properly. So simple basic things is a very important thing to keep you fit. How to reverse your diabetes? One thing you must remember that there are 3 types of diabetes. Diabetes type 1 you can't do because it's the pancreatic damage or from the congenital. Second thing is that type 2 diabetes, that is due to our today's work or what we call, what we eat particularly, obese and everything is happening in our body. Fat deposit is causing diabetes. So we can reverse diabetic type 2. Reverse by proper fat loss and green smoothie. Why green smoothie? Green smoothie is a very good thing. Contain all your iron, other minerals, trace element there. Duration need generally 3 to 4 months, 5 months need. If you drink it, you can reverse gradually. But you have to drink जैसा बनाया ना वैसे का वैसा पीना होता है. उसमें पालक ले लो आप, और ग्रीन जितना भी है आपके पास, खाने का पान ये वो जो भी टेस्टी है डाल दो, एक आधा फ्रूट डाल दो. केला नहीं डालना, केला क्या है, बैड कार्ड. उसकी जगह एप्पल डाल दो, पी लो. बनाया वैसे वैसे पीना. जैसे पहले बोलते हैं ना धारोसन दूध में, धारोसन में गाय के पास जाने का, मिल्क निकालने का, डायरेक्ट पीने का, उस टाइप से पीना पड़ता है इसको. नहीं तो अदरवाइज इट बिकम पॉइजनस समटाइम्स, लूज मोशन शुरू हो जाएगा. योगिक पोस्चर, प्राणायाम is very important. You know very well, Ramdev Baba has done lot of work in this. How it act will open. हाँ, अब ऑडियंस, अभी ऑडियंस कुछ मैं अभी कंप्लीट करता हूँ. 1 घंटा आधे घंटा लास्ट में आप अपने क्यूरीज पूछ सकते हैं मुझे. female hormonal imbalance. Out of 10 female, yeah, out of 10 female, 7 female get PCOD. सर उनका मंथली मिनिस्ट्रल साइकिल बिगड़ गया. और मिनिस्ट्रल साइकिल बिगड़ गया क्यों बाबा? बिकॉज ही इज टेकिंग मोर ट्रांस फैट, पैकेज फूड. वो पिज्जा इसके सिवा खाती ही नहीं. हम जब उनसे पेशेंट से बंद करवाया तो दे कम टू द नॉर्मल वेरी सून, विद इन 2-3 months दे गेट द नॉर्मल. पर आप करवाना कौन बाबा? किसने डाइट बताना? Nobody is giving stress on this. That's why we are making disease, and we, if you give the knowledge to the patient and patient follow, then they will cure. Okay, fine, we go ahead. Intermittent fasting. Some say, oh, 12 घंटे कुछ नहीं खाना, उसके बाद में खाना. कोई बोलता है कुछ नहीं, पहले 3-4 दिन फास्टिंग करना, टोमेटो जूस ये वो लेना, सूप, बाकी कुछ नहीं. तो उससे क्या होता है कि सब अपने बॉडी को जो लगता है प्रोटीन फैट वगैरह नहीं मिलेगा और आपको वीकनेस आएगा और वेट रिवर्स होगा. हमें वेट रिवर्स भी नहीं करना है. मेल हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंस भी होगा, लो एनर्जी, स्लीपलेसनेस होगा. आपको नींद अच्छी आना चाहिए, 7 to 8 hours नींद आना चाहिए. अभी if you are getting sleep proper 7 to 8 hours, then all your weight reduction is proper, everything, your metabolism proper, you are taking proper fat because brain getting fat proper, muscle getting protein proper, there is no pain, body metabolism is going on properly. तो रात को सोते वक्त इसलिए कहते थे कि मिल्क में प्रोटीन ज्यादा है तो रात में मिल्क लेना, like that. Okay, fine, we go ahead. बैलेंस डाइट. हम प्रोग्राम में हमारे जितने भी डाइटिशियन के जो कोर्स अपने अभी शुरू किए हैं हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट के तरफ से, दैट इज अ गवर्नमेंट सर्टिफाइड कोर्सेज बिकॉज दिस इज अ स्टार्टअप, एंड दैट कोर्सेज इज ओवर 3 months, 6 months, 9 months. That course you can calculate the diet properly. Even on this whatever lecture I have given so far, on that basis you can calculate certain level of the proper way, and even we will teach you. And why the diet, this diet change? What happened this Parwa? Oh, Dr. Pawal. Diet in disease is very important. Diabetic diet, you know very well. Carbohydrate कम करना है, protein fat बढ़ाना है, proper रखना है, fibers ज़्यादा खाना है. Cardiac diet, similar way. Renal kidney diet, less protein and other things more. Diet that filter na protein, if that filtration rate you have to find out the all, but the doctor is needed. Don't think without doctor you will lose the disease wise diet. That is you have to be remain with the doctor. Along with doctor you can do it. Diet in psoriasis, most of the case I treated psoriasis only wheatgrass. I asked my patient, if you take your diet along with the wheatgrass 3 times a day, he took 3 times a day, 1 glass or 2 glass. He prepared the wheatgrass, you know, गऊ के हरा हरा रहता वो, उसको कट करके उसका जूस बना के पीना, और that person is cured after 3 months. Means what is the importance of diet is very important. I remember on a Facebook when I was just searching, because to pass the time in COVID is so difficult. We go on studying on Facebook and here all media. That Facebook somewhere Ratan Tata told, take the food like a medicine. Don't get a farm food. म्हणजे ज्यादा राइस बच गया तो खा लो, नहीं इतना नहीं, इतना ही लो जितना बॉडी को चाहिए. Otherwise, take the food like a medicine. Otherwise, medicine become food. नहीं आपको मेडिसिन ही खाना पड़ेगा, हार्ट का भी खाना पड़ेगा, कार्बो इसके लिए डायबिटीज के लिए खाना पड़ेगा, फिर 4-5 विटामिन के लिए खाना पड़ेगा, प्रोटीन के लिए प्रोटीन के खाना पड़ेगा. क्या क्या खाएंगे आप? तो आपको ये डाइट प्रॉपर रखना बहुत जरूरी है. डाइट फॉर वेट गेन, वेरी सिंपल. कैलोरी इनटेक, दिस इज फैक्ट्री. व्हाट आई टोल्ड, आवर बॉडी इज जस्ट लाइक ए फैक्ट्री. कैलोरी इनटेक एंड कैलोरी आउट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स. Whatever calorie food you intake, suppose you want to lose the weight, what do you do? Calorie intake should be reduced, calorie out should be burn out more. म्हणजे आपको हर खाने के बाद में आधा घंटा फिरो, चलो, मॉर्निंग वॉक करो, घर में करना. Now, there are various workshops we conducted for 7 days workshop, 3 months workshop, like that. through our organization and all. I'm not going in detail. Glycemic index, I told you to find out the glycemic index. To ये आप high glycemic index का नहीं खाएंगे, low glycemic index का खाएंगे. Various type of meditation training we give here. Yogic, you know, just to know for your knowledge, Sashta Karma, you do it, very simple, drink water and omit it. Neti, simple things. You can do the neti by taking this, because you can free from nasal passage from the virus and everything, antigens and everything. वायरस के लिए अभी वायरस बहुत ज्यादा चल रहा है, तो वायरस के लिए बता रहा हूँ एपिडेमिक, तो इससे बहुत मदद होगा. उसके पहले रात में सोते वक्त आप सिंपल करो, सिंपल है, कुछ नहीं है, सिंपल थिंग्स है. जैसे there is this fancy bottle, but fancy bottle contain particularly घी अपना जो रहता है, घी अपने लगा लो, तो इससे क्या होगा कि वायरसेस आपके अंदर जाएंगे नहीं, जो है आपका पूरा क्लीन होगा, नाक पैसेज क्लीन होगा, और you will feel better, you will prevent yourself, because no doubt everybody will going to be affected in future by the such type of viruses. But immunity will, you have to develop immunity and take care of your health. And after all, health is wealth. आप कुछ नहीं कमा रहे हो तो कम से कम हेल्थ कमाओ, तो आपको आगे चल के हेल्थ पे पैसा खर्चा नहीं करना पड़ेगा. नहीं तो एक बार हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट हुआ तो आपको कम से कम बिल 2-3 लाख, 10 लाख, 15 लाख, no doubt, no limit. What is the metabolism? I told you, very important things.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
कैटाबोलिज्म, एनाबोलिज्म. कैटाबोलिज्म कहाँ होता है? स्टमक में होता है. कैटाबोलिज्म ख्याल में रखने के लिए सिंपल है, कट करो, खाने को कट करके जो पेट में आता है कैटाबोलिज्म. एब्सॉर्ब होता है कैटाबोलिज्म, हाइड्रोलिक एसिड. एनाबोलिज्म क्या होता है? वहां से स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन से एब्सॉर्ब होकर लीवर के पास जाता है, लीवर सब तरफ बांट देता है, अपने स्टोर हाउस में रखेगा, जितना चाहिए उतना, बाकी सबको दे देगा, तो एडिपोज टिश्यू में डाल देगा. एडिपोज टिश्यू इज फैट टिश्यू, इसलिए फैट बढ़ता है, तो सिंपल एनाबोलिज्म. तो कैटाबोलिज्म एनाबोलिज्म रन टुगेदर. Rate of measurement, BMR, I told you, BMR, the minimum amount of energy required to perform all metabolic activity in order to sustain life for 24 hours. 24 घंटे में आपको जो कुछ आपके ऑर्गन को लगता है एनर्जी, जैसे आप हवा लेते हैं, रेस्पिरेशन करते हैं, उसको भी एनर्जी जाती है, आपके ब्लड में सब कुछ तरफ एनर्जी लगती है, वो एनर्जी को आपको BMR कहते हैं. वो BMR मोस्टली आपको बता दिया, 1200, 1500 इसके अंदर रहना चाहिए, 1600 इसके ऊपर खाए तो फिर आप फैट में मरेंगे. जितना और वेट रहेगा तो आपका मेटाबॉलिज्म बिगड़ते जाएगा. मीडियम, लो एंड हाई ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट. ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स आप समझ गए तो आप कैलोरी वाइज खाओ तो आपको समझ जाएगा, इतना कैलोरी खा लिया, आप नहीं खाना है. अब मेरा कैलोरी हो गया, मैंने 1500 की खा लिया, तो मैंने क्या किया, पानी में 2 चम्मच दही डाल दिया, खा रहा हूँ. क्योंकि मेरे पास पेशेंट आया, उधर सर reduce my 10 kg weight in a month because I want to marry. My weight is overweight 20 kg. In 2 months, I had to reduce all. So I am drinking just like. But this is not good for the patient. Like 5 kg weight reduction is good per month. That is ideal. That will remain. क्योंकि क्या होता है, वेट कम करते हैं तो वेट बढ़ता भी है, कम भी होता है, बढ़ता है, कम होता है. सीसॉ देखा ना आपने, एक तरफ एक ऊपर नीचे होता है, ऊपर नीचे, तो ऊपर नीचे होते रहता है. तो आपको लगता है अरे यार क्या करना, कितना खाना, खाने की इच्छा, फिर वो बहुत तंग आ जाता है खाता, फिर वो लिमिट के बाहर खाता है. तो सिंपल वे, आपने कितना पानी पीना बता दिया मैंने आपको.
बराबर है, बराबर है.
आफ्टर हाफ आवर यू ड्रिंक,
बराबर है.
दिस इज द वाटर. वाटर कंटेन व्हाट? दही, मेकिंग ए छाछ. पुट इट. और अब इतना हो गया तो इसमें और पानी मिला देता हूँ. मैं दही नहीं मिला, मैं इतना ही दही, आपको 3-4 लीटर पानी पी सकते हैं आप दिन भर में. चलो हम आगे जाते हैं. हाँ, आपको लोग बोलते हैं कि 6 पैक नहीं बना सकते आफ्टर 40. नथिंग लाइक दैट. यू कैन प्रिपेयर मेड 6 पैक्स इवन इन आफ्टर 40. बट टाइम, some need time, because every 10 years 2 to 3 kg loss of मसल मास, मतलब प्रोटीन लॉस होता है बॉडी में. मसल को आपने प्रोटीन ज्यादा दिया, प्रॉपर दिया, आप जैसे आप जैसे यंग दिख सकते हैं.
कार्डोनोशन
फैक्टर फॉर गुड फिटनेस एंड फिजिक्स, लाइक हीरो, लुक गुड फिजिक्स. with 6 abs will be our
no,
aim.
no.
And moreover, keep you fit and cure by natural way in all lifestyle disorders, BP, blood pressure, diabetes, and whatnot, joint pains and all.
shampoo,
Intermittent fasting, हाँ something some would say कि intermittent fasting कर लो तो आपका fat loss होगा, fat will utilize in the body, but इतना ही जल्दी वो बढ़ता है. तो आप balance food लो, balance काम करो तो आपको आपका life balance रहेगा.
पर नलाया ये होता है ना.
Now studies
असला
show that vegan are at high risk of deficiency. क्या होता है जो कोई है ना कोई है सर मेरे पास एक पेशेंट आई थी बट शी सेड सर माय किडनी वाज डैमेज आई वाज टेकिंग
अब केन निकलूंगा माई निकलना है कभी
twice in a month I had to go for dialysis and they said once in a week you have to go. I want to rid of that. Somebody say कि you take the juice.
हार्ट से थी तो वो
Some
शैम्पू
extent that help. But you have to take the guidance of the doctor. Under doctor, you have to do all the disease-wise treatment by the diet. I told you vitamin B12 is very important. Omega because non-veg खाते में vitamin B12 मिल जाता है, vegetarian में नहीं मिलता है तो खाने का. Omega 3 या आप दही खाने का. Iodine, calcium, iron and zinc is also important for ED and P. You know this keto diet. Yeah, understand. बहुत अभी fat चल रहा है keto diet. Even there are days in Canada, keto diet. They give only high protein. High protein में कैसे fish, meat, eggs,
नहीं उसका जी
even 75% fat except trans fat. Total calories. All this is keto means protein more. Take the protein more. 7-8 hours लगता है उसको पचाने को. आपको भूख नहीं लगती. Weight कम करते हैं. Like that. About 50 years prescription. अभी आपको prescription देना है आपके पास patient आया है whatever age. Suppose 50 years 60 years का आएगा तो आप कुछ health पे ज़्यादा concentrate करेंगे. अब young आया तो fitness पे exercise
यूनिट में तकलीफ होना कौन
सब पे आप control करेंगे.
ये चमड़ी में चमड़ी जो कंधा है नहीं
Paleo diet. This is also paleo diet is called just आपने देखा जंगल में जो लोग खाते थे जंगली बैंड जैसा खाने का केव्स में रहने वाले based on the caveman time
मुझे ना कुछ ना मां तांग
veg non-veg everything avoid grain and pulses वो grain and pulses anyway we go here then we go here 500 कैलोरीज आप डे में वेस्ट किया तो 7 डेज में आप 3500 कैलोरी बर्न आउट करते हो तो 1 पाउंड आपका वेट कम होता है. महीने का 2 to 3 kg वेट आप कम कर सकते हो विदाउट डूइंग एक्सरसाइज इवन. बट आई विल प्रिफर डू द एक्सरसाइज द मेजर फूड. मेजर फूड मीन्स व्हाट ले लिया या डिनर ले लिया या लंच ले लिया ज्यादा हेवी ब्रेकफास्ट कर लिया तो आप आधा घंटा चलो 30 मिनट मिनिमम और मॉर्निंग में 45 मिनट चलो. वॉकिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. फाइंड आउट रेडीमेड फूड पैकेज. रेडीमेड फूड पैकेज हाइड्रोजनेटेड ऑयल यूज करते हैं इसलिए आपने को खाना नहीं है, कम खाना है. और अभी क्या खाना क्या नहीं खाना ये आपको अंडरस्टैंडिंग आ गया है, आपके दिमाग में से निकल गया है. अभी अब आप कभी भी जाएंगे तो खाना भी बढ़ा तक कम खाएंगे. अब ब्रेड 10-15 ब्रेड ले लिया, अरे फ्री में मिल रहा है खा लो. होटल में जाते हैं 5 स्टार होटल वगैरह ये मिल रहा है वो खा लो. ऐसा मत करो. खाओ 1 bread 2 bread. Because we don't need carbohydrate, we need more protein. Then take protein. Add some fat also. Just before in India, I don't want to take the name of because I don't want to be any critics. High protein diet है, protein shake खा लो, weight कम होता, 4 किलो वेट 5 किलो वेट ये खा लो वो खा लो. अरे उससे आप इम्पोर्टेंट बने वो क्या मेल खा रहा है सोया, फीमेल भी खा रही सोया प्रोटीन. Soybean leading to secreting more female hormone estrogen. You need testosterone. Jagannath Dixit diet. This is also one of the good diet, very popular diet. But something is that 2 times meal लो, 2 times जितना खाना खा लो, उसके बाद में कुछ मत खाओ. इसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है कि if you are diabetic, then you can need glucose and you can fall down. Most of the patient have the problem such arise. So what do? You take proper breakfast, proper lunch, proper dinner. Before that, proper high tea. Before you divide your diet in 4: breakfast, lunch, high tea, and dinner. That is your ideal food. You divide and divide your calories like that. यहाँ पे कितना गया 500 कैलोरी, यहाँ 300, यहाँ 200, 500. तो बिल्कुल 1500 के ऊपर बढ़ाना नहीं है. Calorie oriented diet in your prescription. Even you can say your patient, you can develop your own calorie prescription like this. This much you are eating. Even there are number of gadgets are available. You can go and put your diet. You get the how much protein you eat, how much carbohydrate you eat, and you can give prescribe accordingly. That is very important, essential things. Now, main aspect is over. Physics. I taught you proper diet. I taught you nutrition. I taught you exercise. I taught you what is the importance of water taking and all. Now, I'm interested in health is not merely absence of disease, it's a state of physical. Physical is over. Mental. हम mental पे जाएंगे. Mental के लिए psychoanalytic की psychologist की हमें मदद रहेंगी. तो this is a great psychologist, psychoanalyst, neurologist, what not, Freud's theory of personality. What is your mind? What is your mind? What is mind? You say mind. What is a conscious mind? Subconscious mind. Conscious mind, जैसे मैं आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ, is conscious mind only working 10%. 90% is a subconscious mind. And conscious mind work only 18 hours. 16 hours. जब तक आप सोते नहीं, जब तक आपका conscious, subconscious दोनों काम करते रहता है. बस जब आप सो जाते हैं, तब conscious mind बंद हो जाता है, subconscious वर्क करना चाहिए. तो conscious mind को कहा गया है logical mind. सबकॉन्शियस इलॉजिकल माइंड, उसको सपने देखता है, वियर देखता है, कुछ भी देखता है, कुछ भी करता है, वो उसका, मगर वो 24 आवर्स करता है. हमें जो कुछ हम कॉन्शियस लेवल पे दे देते, अरे यार फल का भी खाना है, अरे राइस भी खाना है, अरे ये भी डालना है, एक चाट में पूरा डाल देते, इतना इतना भर डालते, इतना नहीं खाना, थोड़ा ही खाना. फल का खाया तो राइस नहीं खाना, राइस खाया तो फल का नहीं खाना, मेरी कार्बोहाइड्रेट हो गया. अभी समझो आपको कुछ नहीं मिला, आपको इडली मिला है, सांबार मिला है, कोई बात नहीं, इडली में ज्यादा कार्बोहाइड्रेट है, 2 इडली लो, सांबार 2 वाटी ले लो बड़ा भर के, हो गया बैलेंस डाइट. भूख भी मर गई, पेट भी भर गया, काम भी हो गया. चलो आगे. कॉन्शियस एंड सबकॉन्शियस माइंड. कॉन्शियस माइंड आई टोल्ड यू only 10% and subconscious mind. Whatever things, negative thoughts, anything, whatever happened, some injury to your brain, injury to by even, आपको मारने से इंजरी नहीं होता है, आपको बोलने से भी इंजरी होती है. अरे यार क्या बोल रहा है, अरे तेरे को लाइक दैट, जो आपको अच्छा नहीं लगता, निगेटिव फीलिंग डेवलप करता है, वो निगेटिव फीलिंग तैयार हो जाती है. अरे यार आई कांट डू एनीथिंग. ओ व्हेन यू रियली यू कैन डू एवरीथिंग. इसलिए अभी क्या किया है, देयर इज नो कंपैरिजन इन स्टडीज इन यूएस एंड कनाडा. आई फाइंड आउट अप टू द मैट्रिकुलर 9th स्टैंडर्ड तक उनको आगे आगे डाल देते हैं. चलो फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड हो गया, चलो सेकंड हो गया, थर्ड हो गया. देयर इज नो कंपैरिजन बिटवीन 2 people. Raise hand. Okay, I think some are my patient is there. Okay. I will be totally in English. No problem. But my slide is good. I will send you all slide to you. You are my student. I will send you everything to you. Don't worry about that. And I will take you. Even I will take you face to face video chatting also. No problem. Okay. Right, Mr.
Okay.
Now personality you know very well. We are going that part also step by step here. Okay. Thank you very much. Now, any query?
No, it's all right. It was just that I couldn't follow when you were speaking in Hindi. So.
Okay. I will now do it. But it's a very important thing. I will take your, especially one. I will send you all the slides, and we'll discuss on the face-to-face chatting. Okay, fine.
All right.
Otherwise, what we will do? There are 18 students are registered for the fellowship, and their exam in the December. So I will call you every weekly. But one doctor, I think he may be here. If he raises the hand, then I can unmute him. Every student we ask, and we will discuss only on that basis.
Okay.
Okay,
All right.
at that time totally in English, no problem. And we ask you to present the paper also. You present something about your experience. Everybody must present, because 3 hours what I will do? I can talk 2 hours, and 1 hour is for you. Whatever you want, you explain us, because we learn two way. Otherwise, my
All
wife.
right. All right.
Okay, this is buttermilk. Nothing. That's what I'm taking.
Yeah, I wanted to ask that also because you were saying in Hindi just now. I couldn't.
Oh, okay,
understand.
okay. Sorry. I will know what happens. Few are my guests, and they are saying, I want Hindi. That's why. Okay, I will be now in. I'm in English. Anybody want to be in Hindi? I will just raise hand. That way, that much I can explain them in English, in Hindi.
What is it that you are drinking?
This is nothing. This is a water, purely water.
Okay.
I added there what we call curd. Dahi, curd. You understand
Okay.
curd? It is prepared.
Yeah, I understand. Curd.
Curd. You put the 2 spoonful of the curd and put it. Now this much remaining curd. What I will do? I will take 3 minutes. Just 2 minutes. This is a very important thing. You are hearing me?
Yes, I can.
What I added water here. The
All
remaining
right.
curd was there here in the bottom. I added because you don't take more curd.
Okay.
As for more, then there will be increased fat. I told you for the brain needed 60% fat. Brain is made of 60% fat. If you want to be intellectual, you must take 0.7 gram per kg. If your weight is 60 kg, you must take 0.7 gram is around 50 to 52 gram fat in a day. Then what is the next? Train your subconscious mind. You can train, you can explore the subconscious power and cure the disease. How? You know very well, conscious mind, influence personality, personality influence relationship, problem in personality, problem in relationship. If you solve the personality problem, you can be a good relation, you can maintain the good relationship. Root cause of each and every disease is the mind is called in Sanskrit, in Indian terms, Adi. When it is present in your physical body, it's called Vyadi. Okay, Ronak Bide is want to ask something. Okay, you know this much, then we go ahead. This is very important slide. I want to explain you. I want to make it bigger side. If possible, I will do it. If not, then I will left it. Because the power of your amazing brain, you have 70,000 thoughts per day. How many thoughts? 70,000 thoughts. And okay, how many thoughts comes in mind? The conscious mind controlled our brain only 5% of the day, and whereas the subconscious mind has hold of our thoughts 95%. Means 5% conscious mind thoughts controlled by only conscious level, and 95% remain in this your brain. So most of the time, even in history, you know that particularly Krishna and this history, Abhimanyu is learned the techniques of war in on subconscious level. There is a story like that, and this is subconscious mind power. So if we want to train this subconscious mind with positive thoughts and removing myth and misconception from the mind. Now we go ahead. Husband and wife personality evaluation is very important things. Even everybody's personality evaluation is needed. Need to evaluate opinion of, because there are, suppose there are 4 types of personality. I will explain in my this time from, okay, I will not take more time. Ideal relationship is very important. Some say marriage is an old form of association. It was never perfect. It will never be perfect. Yet it is happiest wrong we are doing on earth. Who said? This is not by sentence. This is said by the Oscar Wilde. Is a thorough philosopher and all. Marriage is like a gramophone. Previously, gramophone comes, record. You selected it because you like one side of it. You see one side. Oh, she looks like this, glow, blah, blah, blah. But however, you are forced to accept the other side of it, whether you like it or not. Who said? Said Anon. But these are use your mind. When you go for marriage or relationship on anything, on that basis, what my counseling session I'm telling you so far is my around 25 to 30 year age and more, you can say, in the medical field. But 25 is a real work. What I did, there are around 700 to more couple come to us with this file. Sir, हमें रहना नहीं साथ में. Sir, I don't want to remain together because we are not intellectually match our mind. So you have to judge the personality